How to transfer Viber to a new phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Viber to a new phone. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you will need to install the app on your new device. So head over to your Google Play and simply search for Viber. After you search for Viber, open it up and then tap on install. So while this installs, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new tutorial video. So after the Viber installs, you'll need to open it up and log in using your existing phone number. So tap on start now. Now enter out your phone number, then tap on continue. So give it all the permission that it requires. After you give it all the information, you can just enter out your profile info, then tap on this tick icon. After you do that, you can then see this option right here, which is the most important part. You can transfer your chat from your old Android. So you can do that by tapping on the get started option. So if you have the Android with you, you can scan it, or if you don't, you can tap on skip chat transfer and you can restore it from your backup. So you can tap on get started if you want to, so if you want to transfer, you can simply tap on get started and then scan the code and then transfer all of your old chats. If not, I'll skip the chat transfer. So if you made a backup before on your old phone, you will get an option that will say restore from your backup. So if you do find that, you can tap on restore from that as well. And doing that, your backup will get restored and your chat history will be transferred. And yeah, that's how you transfer Viber to a new phone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.